in this video, I will talk about average ifs function. So that means when we want to check multiple conditions, multiple criteria, and we want to get the average of a specific range. In that case, we are using average ifs function. So the syntax for the same is inside the average ifs function, we need to provide the range which we want to get the average. Then you need to provide the criteria range 1, then the criteria 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2, and likewise. So we can say this way, this is a simple syntax we can use to get the average of the specific range on the basis of multiple conditions. So to understand this, let's take one example. Here we are having the data of salesperson, in which we are having the name of the salesperson, state, and the sales made by him. Now we need to get the answer of the question, which is asking us to calculate the average sales done by Jim in the states of WA. So we will provide here the equal sign. Then as there are two conditions we need to address. First one is the name and the second one is the state. So we will use here the average ifs function. We can select it. Now firstly we need to provide the range for which we want to get the average. So which is the sales. So you can select the sales column. So the range is C2 colon C20. After the comma, now we need to provide the criteria range. So suppose first criteria is the name of the salesperson, which is in the column A. So I can provide the range, that is A2 colon A20. After the comma, rather than typing, I am selecting the name which is in the A2 cell. Now I can select the states range, which is in the B column. So it is B2 colon B20. After this, you can type also or you can select also. So I have typed here the name of the state WA. I can press enter. So we are getting the answer as 77.5 is the average sales done by Jim in the states of WA. Now the next question is calculate the average sales done by Jen in the state of G. So it is very much similar. We can use the average ifs function. Then we need to provide the range of the sales column, which is in the C column. So I am writing the range is C2 colon C20. Now the criteria range. So I am taking it as A2 colon A20. Then I can select the name of the salesperson, that is Jen, and then I need to select the range of the state, which is B2 colon B20, and then after the comma I can select the state as well, and then I can press enter. Getting 128.33 is the average sales done by Jane in the state of GA. So friends, this way we can use average ifs function to address more than one condition. I hope this video will help you to understand the use of average ifs function. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you.